Hey everybody, Adil Marcy here from adilamarcy.com and Adil Marcy Official, the YouTube channel that we have running for you. Now, my name is Adil, and of course, I'm the founder, creator, and person that's around. Yay, fun times. I hope you've been enjoying the content we've been putting out online lately. If you do, please go ahead and give us a comment, a like, and of course, subscribe below. And if you do want to share this video with other people, you're more than welcome to, because we love people that share. Right, so let's just jump right into it. Lead magnets, what are they? How scary are they? Are they a lot of money to actually create and do? No. They're actually really a lot of fun and quite simple if you have the formula, which we will be sharing in this video. I'm a little bit hyperactive. I unfortunately had a little bit too much candy at lunchtime. And by candy, I literally mean sweets. I love them. I have a sweet tooth. If you love me and you love sweets, send me some of your regional candy. I love candy. It's one of my favorite things in the world. Anyway, let's get into it. Landing pages always, or opt-in pages. So you've done the Facebook traffic, you've understood how to get people to opt in. What do you get them to opt in for? Your lead magnets. So here's the basic simple rules for the 101. Number one, make sure your lead magnet is about 5 minutes to watch as a video or 10 minutes to read. Now, obviously, if you're very entertaining, you can go above that, or if you have a lot of great information that you want to share. For instance, at storysellingemails.com, I did, I think, a 15 or a 17-minute video, which usually breaks my own rules. But the video I actually created was from a module that I had already put out in a paid program to ensure that people could actually understand how to write better email sequences, and I've had nothing but 100% positive feedback on that, which has been so much fun. If you're interested in about that as well, go to storysellingemails.com or click the link in the description and on this video, and we'll basically get started from there. Now, let's just jump right into it. So what do you include in a lead magnet? Now, a lead magnet has one simple purpose. It's to fulfill a reason why people should know you, like you, and trust you. If you're doing a video, you want to solve a problem, singular, one problem for your prospect, whatever it is. So if you're like me in the sense of you might want to hire a copywriter. My advice is, again, as a direct response copywriter with nearly 2 decades of experience, what I can tell you right now is I created a free giveaway, which was the 5 things you need to watch out for when hiring a new copywriter, which my friend and mentor Dan Kennedy also did, but his was 7. Ours were different, similar title, but different concepts entirely. Now, the reason I bring this up is because a lot of people look at someone in their own industry and try and mimic them, which you don't want to do. You want to have your own. You can use similar titles, but you want to actually make sure the content is unique. This helps a lot. So you can do a checklist of 5 things that people need to look out for, or 5 things that people want to do. That's easy. So you got checklists. You have tutorials on 1 tip they can do right away in order to have X results. So it could be 1 tip to lose belly fat today, and that tip could be eating healthier fats such as avocados, and giving them a list. Another tip could be how to make yourself look a little bit more, how to do smoky eyeshadow. You know, smoky eyes. You can do a little makeup tutorial on that and just send that as a video. Or if you're like me and you love cooking, you can get someone to actually opt in and say, here's 5 recipes that you can create today that won't take you more than 15 minutes with the stuff that you have in the house. They're super cost effective and they taste lovely. So you have breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. Simple, right? You can just do something as simple as that. So those are all ideas of lead magnets. You can do videos, you can also do like PDFs, you can do audio interviews. Those are all okay. If you're doing an audio interview, if you'd say, for instance, you're a podcaster like myself, you also want to make sure that you get people to opt in for your podcast. And the way that you do that is you just tell them you'll be sending them new episodes in the future. This is a great way to make sure that you send future episodes right through an autoresponder, which we can talk about in a different video, but particularly this kind of concept, that opting in for nothing, but you're delivering value through emails. So it's a great way of building up rapport between you and your audience. Now, that's basically Lead Magnet 101. So how you create them is dead simple. If you're on a Mac, I like using Pages or Keynote, but you can also use Word or the free version, which is OpenOffice, to get started. In the day and age that we live in right now, you can even use sites like canva.com, which is free. They will actually go ahead and allow you to design your own slide presentation, which you can export as a PDF to turn into your lead magnet. Or you can export your PowerPoint presentation and use a voiceover and voice over what it is that's going on, so you can give it away for free as well. But make sure this is a good tip. Make sure it's something that people can actually get behind. They just can't find anywhere else. They need to be able to find something unique about you and your approach, and that's what you need to have. So make sure you put that in. So that's the basics of Lead Magnet 101. Last key things I will actually talk about is quality of design. Now, obviously me, I'm very, very rough around the edges in the sense that I don't like editing. I don't like making things look super fancy because, let's be honest, I like being straightforward. I like making things happen, and I like getting the information across to my clients and my customers. So I like using a white background with black writing. That's basically me when I do slide presentations. It's terrible at times, I know, I'm working on it. But for you, if you design something that's quite pretty and nice that has your brand colors and so on and so forth, which is something that you'll see on the site, you can easily go ahead and create a amazing free video that you give away, and it's good quality content. And something I would definitely say is don't be boring on your delivery. Don't be like, oh my God, I just need to go do this. Don't be that person. Actually feel excitement and enthusiasm, because it is contagious. The more enthusiastic and exciting that you are, the more excited and enthusiastic your audience will be when they listen. It's galvanizing your audience to come to your way. Now, that being said, I'm going to be wrapping up this video. If you have any questions below, oh wait, sorry, I totally forgot. Design, how do you design the damn thing? Well, if you go on places like canva.com, you can actually put together a PDF or a video placeholder, namely meaning in the sense that you can create something that is the front cover. You can put that on your opt-in page, and it's a great way of showing a little bit more professionalism. Me personally, I like using nice fonts and the basic background, and it really gets me the results I love and want and need. So guys, I look forward to hearing from you, seeing what you're creating and so on and so forth. Drop me a link below to your lead magnet, because I'd love to see it. I'm sure my audience will as well. And just, yeah, go ahead and comment, post your link below, let us know what you do as well. And as always, click the button below, subscribe to the channel, subscribe, and get started. And just basically go ahead and watch more videos. We'll be uploading way more, and as the community grows, I want to say thank you for the community growing as it has, and I'll speak to you guys real soon. Take care. Bye.